In today's video, I'll show you how to delete your Zoho Books account safely and permanently. Start by logging into Zoho Books with your credentials. Once on the dashboard, click on your organization's name in the top right corner to open the drop-down menu. From here, select Manage to view all organizations linked to your account. Locate the organization you want to delete and click the three-dot menu on the right side of its row. From the menu, choose Delete. Zoho Books will display a warning confirming that deleting the organization is permanent and will remove all data including transactions, reports, and records. Double check that you've selected the correct organization. Then confirm your choice. Zoho Books will then permanently remove the organization and all associated information. That's it. Your Zoho Books account is now deleted. Make sure you're ready as this action cannot be undone.